Now guys, I'm going to show you how you can use motion tracking in this video editor. So select your clip, and in Magic Tools we have motion tracking. So select this one, and now we have to select a point. So I'm going to select this person helmet. Now let's view the tracking area. So I think it tracks the person perfectly. So I can just click here to adjust my point. So now as you can see, we have this keyframe. Now let's click here to adjust the point, and now I think we are done. Now let's done tracking. Now we have the tracking data. Now you can attach a text or a video onto this tracking data. So first I'm going to go to the asset. Let's change this to images, and I'm going to select this image. So now we have this image, and I'm going to scale it down. Let's play this right here. And now if I select this image, as you can see guys, we have link to. So we have none. We can change this to skydiving. So if you have a multiple clips and you have a multiple motion tracking data, or we can link this to that video. So I'm going to link this to skydiving video, and we can change the position. And now as you can see, we have a red line appears. So it means it links to this data. So now if I play this video, now you can see guys, this picture is linked to this person helmet. And you can also link video as well. So for example, let's change this to videos, and I am in shared folder. Drag this video, split this clip. Let's select this clip, and now we have tracking linked to. Change this to skydiving. Now I'm going to also scale it down, and I'm going to also crop this video as well. So let's crop from top and from the bottom, and now here we go. And now if I play this video, now you can see guys, this video is now linked to this person helmet. Now I'm going to link my text to this tracking data. So go to the text, and now I'm going to split this text first. Let's select this one, double click here. We can change this to custom text. So I'm going to change this to tracking. Let's change the color to this one, and we can change the font. And now right now this isn't linked, so we have to change the link to skydiving. And now here we go. Now check this out. This is linked to this person helmet. So this is how you can use motion tracking in RunwayML video editor.